let y'all working with a lot of noise, so please excuse us. We got some people turning up some concrete next door, so. But today we're putting in a fuse system, getting everything ready. Got Wally down there getting that ready, so start buttoning this full complete fuse system swap. Should be fun. Stay tuned. All right, so we're back messing with the fuel line. I'm gonna take the aux pump out. We have to cap it, but first we gotta drain the fuel. Got my main jump right here. Working on the main jump. Let me get a can. Because she's gonna drip. Like I said, excuse the noise. That's gonna go on the whole video. So excuse Johnny too.
Definitely gonna be the whole video. They're gonna be in there all day.
Yeah. Hope you don't got no cuts.
I already feel them. It's already burning.
She said. You just gonna have to go for it.
Get it all in my sleeve. Here she go. She's a squirter.
All right. It's gonna get heavy. You can't pull that one down.
Yeah, I can.
It's gonna get heavy.
Work them arms out. Work them arms out. You all right?
Got you. Is it that bad? We just ate a face full of E85. Doesn't taste good.
Rome ate a face full of E85.
No, if I ate it, we ate. No homo.
My arm ate that shit. John need a new shirt.
Somebody turn pink. What we doing now?
Trying to get this fuel line off.
All right, you heard him. Trying to get the fuel line off. So
We wouldn't have to take it off, but being the fact that I'm still in all this for a special project of mine, I'm gonna need these parts. Normally we would tell y'all what we're up to, but being that it's YouTube, we're gonna let y'all view.
Yeah, you
find out.
You gotta stick
Let's just say
around.
we got another special little project.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Ah,
This white girl be squirting.
she's a squirter.
This white girl be squirting. Man, that's just strong.
That shit hit where low key scratched me. Damn, that shit sting like that.
It just came out of nowhere too. You was like, just chilling, just chilling. Ah! That's funny. Sorry if I was yelling in the camera, guys. All right.
Funnily, all this stuff we put in, we're taking all back out. Remember when I routed this? And I was like, yeah, we're gonna route it so you can never see it. Now my routing. Fuck, I gotta take this shit over. Take it out.
All right, we got the aux pump down. Brand new part right there. Ain't even a year old. The Bosch took a shit on us. Gonna be fuel in there too.
Like I couldn't keep it up.
Bosch don't sound like a race car. That's all loud as hell. The line is probably horrible. Just got it down. So we got the tank draining now. Tank the tank right now.
That's all out.
Yeah. 2 gallons right now, so we got that out. What's next?
Let me see that light. I'm thinking about just ripping all the lines out the car like we did on the back. Because I already got it disconnected here. So if we disconnect that.
So you don't need to use that one?
Nah, it's literally getting a whole new fuel system.
Weight reduction, bro.
That's what I'm like. That's what runs in my mind. Like,
Saying like that shit weigh that fucking much.
hey,
Hey.
weight's weight.
Yeah, it add up. Let me see how we look at this.
Weight is weight.
Got the aux pump out now.
Yep.
Took quite a bit. A lot of wire.
We just had to pull all the wires.
Yeah.
The problem with a clean install is it's a hard de-install because
Yeah.
everything's routed and tucked away so much. But it's all good. We got it all out now. So pretty much, yeah, we're done under here for a second. Now we need to go inside the car, cut the access panel,
Fun
get
part.
the stock pump out the tank,
Throw the triple in.
throw the triple in, and then start
Going from there.
doing the fittings and the hoses from the back all the way up. And once we get up here and get it all routed and it's just all hanging here, then we'll put the blower on and then put the rails on. Put the rails on the blower first with the injectors out here and then put it on, and then we'll see how much hose we need because we're gonna have to cut the hose and stuff
Yeah.
and fit it perfectly. So yeah, I mean, we're moving along.
Cool. We'll be
So,
back.
next step, inside the car.
Now we're about to get ready to do the fuel pump. Gotta cut our access panel out. Otherwise, you will have to drop the whole exhaust, fuel tank. What else?
Every drive
Axles,
shaft.
yeah, all that shit.
All that
So
shit. So
this is the shortcut.
don't try this at home.
Yeah, professionals only. You will burn your car down if you don't know what the hell you're doing.
You cut a fuel. Well, we've already drained the fuel, but
Yeah.
if there's fuel in it, it will suck.
Right. How you feel about that? Are you gonna go back and get a little bit more?
Nah, we're good. I can see straight through it. First cut, and we didn't puncture nothing. Not that it would matter as long as we don't cut the tank because we've already ripped all the lines out. So, but yeah. So,
Oh, that's sticky icky. 8 inches.
8 inches wide. So our next cut needs to be right here. And then go straight back. I'm just going for it. Fuck that line shit. coming out. So where you gonna put it to?
All right, so got the.
So it actually needs to be for future reference.
Five look like
Maybe 7.5, 7.
so. Got the panel cut out. Voila.
So it's done.
That's what they say.
Yeah, right.
You want the line?
It comes out pretty easily once you.
That stinks so bad.
Yeah, it does. I cut my hand every time we do this.
I cut it on this part last time.
I get so nervous with it.
Matter of fact, I got you. This is what we did. We covered it.
That just broke.
Hold on.
You don't need it, so it's fine.
There you go. Let it snap.
Yeah, man. We don't need it, so it's all going. Bye bye.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's your fuel pump. Access in 10 minutes. Versus what would the regular job be like? 14 hours or some shit like that.
After a little bit of blood, we got it in.
Yeah, show me your battle scars.
Man, I was trying to put it in and didn't pay attention. I rested my hand right on the sharp part. Even though there was a towel on it, that shit still cut me.
Yeah.
Normally it doesn't, but you know. With every war comes casualties.
You know?
So we're good. It's in now. We gotta start. Oh, hold on. Let me wipe it for Ron because he don't like the dust.
You know? Slows you down.
Now we're gonna start doing fittings here and then run lines. I'm about to fish them up and then we'll do the fittings and fit them here and be done, and then just have to do wiring after. But we'll do the wiring after we plumb everything.
Sweet. All right.
So wiring is last.
This tin a big girl.
She's a little tight,
She a little thick.
a little thick jump.
Thick. Donald Trump means thick. Difference between 8 and 10. I'm never gonna tell on camera.
Should be able to.
Alright. We'll go up in a minute. See what we got. Check these lights.
Turn that one off so it doesn't die.
Yeah. Said we moving on up. Alright, y'all, stay tuned for part 2 right now. Alright, so let's check in on Waleed. Alright, he got the throttle body on. He got the fuel rails on.
Yeah, so we did throwing the throttle body on now. Did rails, injectors. We just put fittings on. We're about to get ready to put the blower on the car for the first time, so I could measure out the lines correctly, get those on, and we should be good to go.
Alright, we'll be
Making
back.
pretty good progress.
I'm laughing because something happened off camera, but the blower's on. Going on now. Gotta relocate.
Yeah, just because we set all those lines right there.
Yeah. That's there.
That's what was leaking coolant when I told you the coolant line's off when you were freaking out yesterday. It was coolant running down the clock.
Goddamn right. So the pieces of the puzzle are starting to come together slowly, but it's coming along. So. Yeah.
This is actually gonna be an issue.
Yeah, I was looking at that. It looked way too long.
We'll figure it out. It's not a big deal. See, we need the one. We need another one like for this side. These have a 90.
Shorter.
No, it has a 90. Look, this side.
Oh yeah.
But it's not a big deal. Minor issues. Minor issues.
In worst case, we can cut it, right?
Yeah, I could, but we're gonna do it right.
All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. We just finished up the V. We got it started. We still got to get the pulley belt, change the plugs, change the oil, small stuff like that. Add some trans fluid because we found one of the trans lines was leaking, so we're just gonna check that. Give a special shout out to John and Waleed on this video. They helped out a lot, so still got to get it tuned. But peace.